What's up everyone, I'm Usman. In one of my recent video on my channel, I did the water test of the Samsung Galaxy A72 and now it's time for the Samsung Galaxy A52. In this video, I will put this phone in water for more than 1 minute and after that, I will test its charging port, camera and speaker to see is it working or not. So for that, let's begin the video. So here is the device and water. I bought the Galaxy A52 in black color. Let me first play any video from YouTube so we can see in water is it live or dead. And I have second phone for the stopwatch. So let me place it in water, then I will start the stopwatch. Boom, A52 is finally in the water. Everything's seeming fine yet, video is playing fine, but Galaxy A52 is not recognizing my taps in water. So its touch sensor is not working in water. I already did the unboxing of the Galaxy A52 on my channel, make sure to watch that also. Link will be available in the iCard or in the description of this video. And if you are really enjoying this video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel to appreciate my work. So 2 minutes are completed. Let me take it out and this matte finish is looking more awesome with water drops. Now let me take out the water from ports. And surprisingly, touch sensor is working 100% fine even without cleaning the water drops on the screen. Let's play the video again to see its speaker working or not. And thankfully they are working. Now I will put this device under sunlight for few minutes. Then I will test its charging port, speaker and camera. So finally, after a few minutes, I am going to test its charging port to see is it working or not. And boom, it's working without any issue. And battery is charging at fast charging without any problem. Now let's test its speaker. Hear this. After the release of the Galaxy A72 and A32, here is the Samsung Galaxy A52. Ta-da! So speakers are also working fine without any issues. Now let's check the camera. I took these shots after the water test and camera is seeming fine without any issue. So this was the water test of the Samsung Galaxy A52. So yes, it's really waterproof as Samsung mentioned IP67 rating. But don't put it in water for just fun. And if it accidentally drops in water, then please quickly take it out. So if you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, then please like it and subscribe my channel. And comment below if you have any question related to its IP67 rating. I will try to answer. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.